Alright guys, we're trying to go upstairs to the roof. Hurry Jake, because there's... Oh, that's scary, bro. Oh my gosh.
This is...
Hurry up. Ew, I'm gonna need to wash my hands after.
You're real.
This is low-key so scary. Kiki! There's a guy. There's a guy. Bye, babe. Fuck that. I'm leaving. There's a guy. There's a guy up there.
No, dude, no, I'm serious. I'm dead serious.
Imagine they grab your foot. First team, once again. Kiki!
So sit back.
Say,
Babe.
babe.
Oh, no, that's him.
Babe. Oh! You guys are opposite teams. Opposite teams. Me.
You're on their team.
Or who? Me?
Yeah, you're on their team.
Oh my gosh. We about to.
Cut that out.
Ah!
Yeah, right there. Go. Get close.
Do something, because he was banging the shit out of that.
Yeah.
We're about to play. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're about to start. See you on the GoPro. All right, so today we are going to be playing Capture the Flag, but we're going to add a twist to it because it's not actually a flag. It's just a blue bag with a football inside. Whichever team captures the flag and takes it back to their side wins. But if you get shot while you have the bag, you have to leave the bag and go to where all the dead bodies are at. So this is how it looks. I'm going to go ahead and test shoot. I cannot hear shit, guys. So if you guys need to talk to me.
Who's gonna run for it?
I think I'm gonna run for it, but I'm gonna try to be in through the side. Yeah, as long as my vest. Let me see, Jay, can I shoot you? Oh shit! Can I shoot you? It doesn't hurt. Oh! Oh wait, you can't see me. Oh, well. Okay, your turn, Jen. Act like you're dying. Let's go. All right, guys, that is where our objective is, our flag. Let's go get it. Okay, Kiki, they're coming this way. Careful. While me and my teammate were trying to get a flank on him, I spotted an enemy, and you can see him running by right there. And guess what? I ran too slow, didn't catch up fast enough. He ended up capturing the flag and won that round for them. So we ended up losing that round, but watch what I do next round. Yup, that's me, guys. I took the dub, captured the flag, and stole it from those dirty pigs. Let's go. Woo! This is the last round, and whoever wins this round is the winner because we have a tie right now. So I got a little frustrated because none of my teammates wanted to capture the flag, and I was getting a little angry. So I decided to take it upon myself and try to capture the bag myself. And I got a little angry, so pardon my French.
See, someone needs to fucking get it. Zigzag, Kiki, zigzag.
After I died, my little sister got my back. She captured the flag and took that dub for us. Let's go! I decided to switch on my gun to a UMP, and let's see how that goes.
Bang, bang! Jay, I cut through the middle and they were all there. They're all there. Oh. Dude, we could go back in. Let's go, come on. Ah, I got hit. There's a guy. There's a guy in the mountain. Harvey, it's on you. What happened?
There's some like wire on the ground over there.
Are you okay? Oh.
Did you record it?
Yeah.
Alright you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want more airsoft content, make sure to drop a gun emoji, and that is actually also the emoji of the day today. So make sure to drop the emoji of the day, and I'll be responding back with the RO signifying real one. And here's a sneak peek of what is to come on the Montclair merch drop coming soon. Post notification shout out goes out to Edgar_BW and one boy. Once again, thank you guys so much for having your notifications on. And if you guys want to shout out then in my video, all you gotta do is turn the post notifications on and be the first to comment. Catch you guys in my next video. See you soon. Peace.
Right beneath me. 8K with the fucking bean, yeah, 3B, smoking on that BG.